Jain friends, and also welcome to our YouTube channel All Purpose Tutorials. In this video I am going to tell you that how to give an individual lecturate, that what are the qualities that will help you pass the individual lecturate, what you have to do in the individual lecturate and what not to do. So let's start. So now here are some qualities that will help you in clearing the individual lecturate. And the first quality is confidence, but not overconfidence. You should be confident but not overconfident, because you will be given a topic there to speak on, and if you are overconfident about it, that I know this topic, I can very easily say about it, then you are wrong there. If you'll do even a little mistake, you will be out of the interview at that moment only. So just try to be confident, because in an individual lecturate you also have to interact with the others. Not interact, you have to make eye contact, you have to do it like a very good lecturate. So you have to prepare about it, and just be confident there. Now how you can be confident when speaking about your topic there? So everyone is having their ways of building qualities in their selves, so you just have to find the way of finding the qualities, that how you can build the qualities in yourself. Now the next quality is body language. See, because you are going to give an individual lecturate in front of so many cadets there, so it is important for you that you should be having a good body language. Now when you will go there, so you will go there walking, so you should be having a proper way of walking, not like professionals, not like models. I'm not talking about that. You just should be walking like officer, like an officer you should walk there. And then the thing that comes in body language is also your way of talking, your gestures, the hand, the how you move your hands there, it also plays a very important role. See, in SSB interview, in every small test, and your every small activity plays a very big role there, because because of that small activity you can get selected or you can get eliminated because of that small activity also. So you have to be sure that you do not make any mistake like that. Just think so many times before doing something. Now your way of talking, you should be talking in a way that everyone gets you there. Gets you there means everyone should be able to understand what you are trying to say. You do not have to stammer there, you do not have to so much fast that the people who are very much good at English can only understand you. No, you just have to speak in the way that everyone can get you, that what you are saying, and everyone can agree with you. You have to talk like that. So you will get a little time when you will select your topic on which you are going to give the individual lecturate. So you also have to decide the points. There should be no negative points. There should be no political points. It should be just about the topic about which you are going to speak on. So, and that doesn't mean that you have to hide the negative points, but try to be as positive as you can, because this thing plays a very big and very important role in the whole SSB interview. Now, the third quality that will help you clear your individual lecturate is high self esteem. So, first of all, what is self esteem? So, self esteem is the quality that we think who we are, what is our worth in our own. So, it all matters that what you think of yourself, and how you have to present yourself to others, and the way you think about yourself, your presentation, your individual lecturate, your every test is going to be like that only, the way you think about yourself. So think positive and be confident, and just keep confidence in yourself only, that you can do it, and you can pass all the tests. Because if you will be low on self esteem, then it is going to be a problem for you, and it will not let you clear the interview SSB until you are high on self esteem. Sometimes some people gets nervous and they get low on their self esteem, and then they start thinking that now I have made sorry, now I have made a mistake, so now how I will get selected. So see, SSB is not about mistakes, it's about the officer like qualities. If you are having those qualities, then if you are making mistakes also, then they could be ignored, but you should be having the officer like qualities. Now the other now the fourth quality, or actually it is not a quality, it is the fact that is going to help you in clearing your inter sorry individual lecturate, that is, do not give your opinion about the selected topic, only talk about the given topic. So what happens sometime, that when you are given a topic and you have to speak on it, so some people start giving their own opinion about it, that I think that it should be like that, it is wrong there, and it is my perspective, and like that. So you do not have to give your opinion there, nobody has asked for your opinion. You just have to tell about the given topic, you just have to talk about the given topic for 3 minutes, and you do not have to talk any nonsense, means out of the topic. You have to be very precise in what you are speaking, and you should be very confident in what you are speaking. If you are speaking something wrong, so just apologize for it, it is not wrong, but try not to make any mistake, and try to be as precise as you can, and try not to make any mistake. Now try to be specific about your lecturate topic, and always try to keep it simple. Now if you are speaking about IT industry. Let's say you are given the topic, or you have chosen the topic IT industry, but then suddenly you start speaking about mechanical industry or civil industry. So it is not going to work there, because everyone is so much brilliant there, everyone is having knowledge on everything there, almost everything. So you cannot fool there, you cannot fool people there if you think that you will speak in a good way, or you will speak out of the topic. So it is not going to work there. Try to be specific about your lecture topic. It means that you are given 3 minutes of time, and in that 3 minutes of time slot you have to first decide, when you will be given time just before your lecturate, that now you decide here that what you have to talk about your in individual lecturate. So when we go there, so we get a we get a little nervous, and then we forgot then we forget many of the points. So if you are prepared about your if you are prepared about your topic that you are going to talk about in the lecturate, so it would be better for you. And try to keep it simple. Just if you have if you are are giving your lecturate there, and if you are talking or explaining a point to everyone in the lecturate, so just try not to repeat the things or not to repeat the facts there, because it is going to show that you are not prepared well, and it is not a quality of officer, and they are only looking for officer like qualities. That's why they take so many of your tests. So try to keep it simple. Now, do not use tough vocabulary. Now vocabulary means tough word. Do not use tough words, because sometime it happens that because you have to explain the topic that you have chosen to everyone. Only it is not only you who has to understand the topic. So do not use tough vocabulary. Speak in the way so that everyone can get what you are saying. So if you will use tough vocabulary, then sometimes what happens, there are freshers as well as repeaters. So and and freshers can also have a good vocabulary, but if you will try to keep your topic simple, and if you would be able to explain everyone what you are trying to say in a simple way, in simple words, then it would be good for you only. And do not match the things up, because sometimes some people are so much we can say it, they are confused about what they are saying, what are the words that they are using. So be specific, and just use the words that of which you know meaning properly. Do not use the words that you do not know about, and do not try to show off there, because it is not going to work. Officers never show off. Now, all the best wishes to you all for your upcoming SSB interviews. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon also, turn it on, And if you like this video, then please share it, like it, and comment it as much as possible. And if you are having any other doubts about interview, or or any other test in the SSB interview, then you can ask in the comment section. I will answer every comment that will be there. And please share it our video as much as possible if you like it. And again, thanks for watching our video.